Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorials how to create an infographic on Canva. So here I already have my Canva applications open. Now you have to do is just start the new page. You can just click this plus button, but if you want to go right away to the several templates that we can choose, you can go into this upper sections and type the infographic. Okay, and then now the Canva is generate several templates that we can choose here. We can click, okay, and now there are a lot of infographic that we can choose. If you want to have your own infographic, you just need to click this create blank. But if you want to use some template that is facilitated by the Canva, you can choose whatever you want to have. If you want to this more structured, you can choose this, or if you want to have a colorful template, you can look for the another templates too. But if you already have a concept, just go with the create blank, and then you will be given a pages that is blank, and you can fulfilling it with all of the ideas about your infographic itself. So that's all for today's tutorial. Don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel.